Hi, welcome to the Permit to Work Challenge Mode prototype. Basically it's just a prototype to show how we think Permit to Work training could be done more interactively, a bit more fun, a bit more game-like, and hopefully players will gain a bit more knowledge retention from doing lots of repetitive things that are associated with positive or negative consequences. So, in this game we control this little contractor here, and your job is basically to look after the plant. During the day, as you can see just here, machines will randomly break down. This is just a prototype at the moment, so they just break down randomly, but during the final thing, just a couple would break down at the start and it would get more and more and harder. So to repair the machine, you just have to get your contractor to apply his locks and tags to the correct lockout station, and then go to the machine and repair it. Now the machines affect this ore production rate. As you see when I take my locks and tags off, it will go up. And this ore production rate affects the ore count. That ore count is your score. I've used ore, but it could be money or anything relating to the industry it's being targeted at. And yeah, basically at the end of the game you'll get a scoreboard and it will show your score, so you can try and beat it, or tell your friends how well you did and get them to try and beat it, or co-workers and that sort of thing. So it's just a little incentive to make it playing a bit more fun and to try and challenge you again. Now the game also teaches people about making sure their locks and tags are off at the end of the day, off the lockout stations. As you'll see in a moment, will fade to black right now, and this is the end of a day. Now if you have any locks and tags still left on your lockout stations, you'll be penalized. Basically any ones with locks and tags on, their machines will not produce any ore during that fade out time. However, if you make sure you take all your locks and tags off, you'll be rewarded, and that any machines you have that are broken will be repaired automatically, and you'll get a bonus from any of the ones that are already repaired. And yeah, that's basically it. You basically have to just go around and try and keep the plant operating to the best capacity that you can. The time is split up into 12-hour shifts over 5 days. As you can see, we're in the second day here. And yeah, it's just a bit more fun and interactive way to teach people how to use permits. At the moment it's still just a prototype, so it doesn't look that great, and there's a few bits and pieces that are buggy and that sort of thing, but it's just to give you an idea of what can be done. It also teaches people about making sure that they always apply locks and tags and isolate the equipment before they work on it. So for example, if we go and try and repair a bit of equipment that has not been isolated and we haven't applied our locks and tags for, you'll see that it results in quite bad results. So if we go and try and fix this bit of equipment here without applying our locks and tags, our contractor actually gets electrocuted and dies, so we have to restart the game. And yeah, then you basically just go through and get your high score at the end. And yeah, thank you.